Good morning, students. Today in English, we are going to do second poem, The Rebel. So first of all, we will discuss the meaning of the word the rebel. Rebel means a person who does just opposite of what others are doing in order to be different. So he's a person who doesn't like to follow the rules of society. So let's start the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. So when a rebel sees a group of people has short hair, the rebel would prefer to grow his hair long. When everybody has when everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. And when he sees that group has long hair, the rebel would prefer to get his hair cut in short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. Means whenever a lesson is going on and everybody is talking or discussing about the lesson, the rebel would prefer to be mute or quiet. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. So whenever anybody explain the chapter and everybody is listening it carefully and quietly, that time the rebel definitely will create a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses a fantastic clothes. So when everybody comes in a uniform, then definitely a rebel will come in fantastic clothes, okay, in fashionable clothes. Like when everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So means whenever everybody comes in their fashionable attires, in fashionable clothes or fantastic clothes, in their good dresses, then the rebel will dress himself simply. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When a rebel sees that there is a group of people and who are discussing about dog, and everybody is their dog lovers, then the rebel, in order to be different, he will talk about cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. And whenever a cat company is there, means whenever people are discussing about cat and cat lovers are there, so the rebel wants to show himself a different person, so he will put a word for dogs, means he will discuss about dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. When everybody is praising the sun, means everybody is praising that how sunny day it is, okay, and how delightful day it is, and everybody is like that. Everybody likes the sunny day. That time, the rebel will remark or demand for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody is welcoming the rain and everybody is talking about pleasant weather and rain and dropping of the rain, then the rebel will regret that why the sun is not there. He will regret on the absence of sun. When everybody stays at home and read a book, the rebel goes to meeting. And when everybody stays at home and read the book, okay, and means everybody is staying and doing the some work and uh, doing reading work and their official work, then the rebel will definitely go to meeting. And when everybody goes to meeting, the rebel will stay at home, means the rebel definitely will do just opposite of everyone. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says yes please, हाँ कहते हैं हर कोई, तो rebel हमेशा उस चीज के लिए मना करेगा. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. And when everybody denies for the thing, the rebel will give the affirmation for the same thing. He will give affirmation for same thing. It is good that we have rebels, okay, it is good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So the poet says, it is very good that we have rebels around us. It is because it seems that having rebels around us is beneficial, as they train us to acknowledge the differences. Okay, that's why it's good if we have the rebels around us. However, it is not good to be a rebel, because they are not accepted by the society. They are always criticized by others. So that's why we should not be a rebel.